Greetings, everyone. In this opportunity, I will present to you our research titled Unsupervised Content-Based Book Recommendation System using DeepWalk. With me, Hans Jonathan Zebua, as the first author and the presenter in this session, Emmanuel Brandon Hamdi, the second author, and Felix Indra Kurniadi, our advisor and affiliate with Bina Nusantara University. Now, this research derived from our finding that Indonesia currently faces literacy issue, as stated in these following statistics. And we found that the government is trying to solve this problem. One of the recent solutions is by implementing digital transformation on to improve people literacy. Now, one of the approach in digital transformation that could be used is a recommendation system, which is a tool that is used to produce a list of products based on user behavior or similarity in interest. Now, by looking at the effectiveness of this recommendation system in other fields, such as in e-commerce, we found that this recommendation system could be used in improving literacy interest. And then one of the emerging method in the development of research of recommendation system is DeepWalk, which is a graph neural network deep learning model that has been used in topics such as movie and citation recommendation system. However, there is no attempt at implementing it to a book recommendation system. Thus, from this research, we offer a new way to develop a book recommendation system using unsupervised content-based approach by implementing deep learning algorithm. And now for the method, the first thing is we use Goodreads best book ever dataset that we gathered from Kaggle. Goodreads itself is a book catalog on the online book catalog website. And for the data pre-processing, the first step is to clean the dataset from stop words. And since there is no calculable way to produce a feature selection in an unlabeled dataset, thus we handpick our feature selection based on past research on the similar topic. Thus, we pick book title, author, genre, and description for the feature to train the model. And for a feature extraction, we will use TF-IDF to convert the data string into a numerical form. Then we will use Gaussian similarity to calculate similarity between data. And then we will use graph transformation to transform the data from a table into a graph form, since DeepWalk work in a graph dataset. And we will turn all the data into a node and connecting each book based on the similarity in author's value. Now, in short, DeepWalk work by performing certain number of random walk from node to node through the entire graph, in which from each walk, the model will learn representation of similarity and information from each node to another. We will use DeepWalk model from Karate Club API with given parameter. And now, again, since the model is an unsupervised recommendation system, as of the writing of this research, we haven't found the optimal, measurable, calculable way to evaluate the model's performance. Thus, we will perform a study case by performing a discussion evaluation on the model's performance on creating book recommendation results based on recommending Anna Karenina written by Leo Tolstoy as the basis for recommendation. We will use two different versions of Anna Karenina found in the dataset, and from looking at the word frequencies. we found that both of them have mostly different information on describing the book. And here is the recommendation result from the first version, and here is from the second version. Now, from our finding, we found that both versions produce different recommendation results. There is no similar books. This may be caused by both of them having different content, different information regarding the Anna Karenina. But still, all of the book from the recommendation results list has similarity with Anna Karenina in one way or another. By looking at the word frequency, we found that all of the book have similarities, such as in being classics books, having topics such as romance, suspense, and many more. And since both of the book are written in English for the both version we use, thus arguably the most interesting finding is the fact that there are two books written in other language other than English, which are in this case Arabic and French. And for further insight, we found that the recommendation results are also different from the Goodreads website. This may be caused that the recommendation system of Goodreads recommending Anna Karenina in their website also use other factors, such as user rating. Thus, we conclude that our model are able to produce sensible recommendation results based on our findings. And now for the conclusion. Deep work is possible to be used to develop an unsupervised content-based book recommendation system. Judging by the sensible result and robust list of recommendation, the book recommendation results on Anna Karenina from our study case. And for the future works, we could expand the capability of the model by using more data set or more advanced parameter. We could also explore other pre-processing methods such as the string conversion, exploring other similarity calculation, and exploring the graph transformation, such as which value is the optimal to collect the data, determining the optimal threshold, and many more. Last but not least, the other thing to explore is combining it with other method to create a hybrid recommendation system, such as with collaborative filtering approach and many more. That's it for our presentation for our research. Thank you for your attention. And now for the Q&A session.